Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, as you can see, I made another purchase today, another constitutional silver purchase from my local resource that I've been buying from quite a bit this year. And so I thought I'd do a quick little video, show you what I picked up. You can see here in the bag, it's a couple rolls of quarters, a couple rolls of dimes, and some miscellaneous stuff. So let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, as you know, I like to present it in the way that I receive it, so that's why I leave it in the plastic baggie here. But let's go ahead and take it out and let's see what we have. Just dump it out here and you'll see something in there a little bit different than I normally buy. Picked up a Morgan. You had a lot of them, just picked up one. But anyway, let's move these out of the way for now. We'll set them over here so we can still eyeball them a little bit. And let's move this over here. Alright, so what I picked up was this Morgan. Got it for $15. I'm not sure if it's a rare date or anything. I just like the toning on it. It does have a mint mark of an O for New Orleans. See it right down above between the D and the O right there. There's the mint mark. And just a nice looking coin, you know, $15. Can't go wrong. It's a little bit of a premium, but a couple dollars above spot, I think. So that's pretty cool. And I also picked up 12 halves. And these aren't in the best of condition like normally that he sells them to me in, but that's okay. This is how you get it sometimes. So we got two Walkers here, a Kennedy, another Walker. Oh, look at that, Walker's a 1918. Cool. Have a mint mark on it. There's a mint mark. I'm not sure, I think they changed them on these Walkers. But anyway, so there's a, let's look at the date on this one. Oh, there's a 1919. 1919, 1918, 1943. Here's another Kennedy. A Franklin, a Kennedy, another Kennedy, and two more Franklins. So I got a total of 12 of them. Does that work out to 5 Kennedys, 4 Franklins, and 3 Walking Liberties? So that's cool. That'll help me fill my stack. I fill my rolls separately with each one. So I probably should have left them showing like that. It's good enough. And then I got 7 dimes. Now I have 100 dimes over here, but he had some miscellaneous dimes. So basically what he did was gave me the Morgan and the dimes for 20 bucks. That's a pretty good deal because this happens to be at a time when silver's up about 16.5 bucks. I think it's settled down at 1637, 1640, somewhere there today. So, you know, getting that for 20 bucks is a pretty good deal. Alright, so we have some halves, we have a Morgan, and we have some dimes. As long as we have the dimes out, let's go ahead and get these out of here. And as you know, I'm going to take a thumbnail and just leave these out. So, I'm not sure if they're Roosevelts or Mercuries. It looks like there are Roosevelts. So here we go. Some cool dimes. That would be 50 more. So now we have 57 dimes. Not sure where I'm going with my pile here. I just know I'm making a pile. So 50 Rosies. Pretty cool. We have 50 more. I will dump them off to the side, I guess, over here. These are also Roosevelts, which is fine with me. Roosevelts tend to have more silver on them than the Mercuries do. So, there we go. What do you think, huh? 107 Roosevelt dimes. Pretty cool. So, we'll get those out of the way. And then we also have 80 quarters. Let's take a look at these. And again, he knows that I don't keep the containers he gives them in, so he's just been giving them to me in paper paper rolls. I'm just throwing them away. Look at those edges, huh? Ooh. Some nice quarters. Look at these. Love the sound of that silver. Okay, so there we go. Let me get my Benjis back in order. Yeah, one too many Kennedys there. Benjis and Walkers. This one looks a little bit better. For the thumbnail, we'll put that one on top. Alright. Let's see if I can bring my white balance down a little bit. It's just bright off that light. Shining Kennedy. Alright, now we have one more roll here. Let's take a look at this. Look at those. Look at how nice those look. Those some nice quarters or what? Boom. Oh, sorry I'm making all this noise. So there's 80 quarters. So, pretty cool, huh? Look at that. Well, I'm trailing away with my dimes over here. Almost look like a comet. Let's put these back together a little bit. Let me adjust my camera slightly. There we go. Found that gap. It's got to make a nice thumbnail picture. So there you go. What do you guys think, huh? Let's look at the face value here and see what we have. Okay, so what we have here in face value is we have two rolls of quarters, which is $10 and $10, $20. We have two rolls of dimes, so that's two rolls of dimes, that's $10 as well. We have 12 halves, so that works out to $6. And then if we throw in the extra 7 dimes, that's an extra 70 cents. Yeah, but I'm not going to include the Morgan. The Morgans usually have a little bit of premium in them, so I'm going to keep that calculation out because this other stuff doesn't have that built-in premium. So if you take the $36.70 worth of face value and what I paid for it, with the spot being where it's at, which has gone up a little bit, quite a bit actually, I picked all this up for $2.56 below spot. And there is 26.22 ounces. And yeah, that's a pretty nice haul there, huh? 107 dimes, 80 quarters, 12 halves, $36.70. All for $2.56 below spot. So pretty cool, huh? It's another great deal. Really appreciate the resource. And again, the Morgan I got for 15 bucks, and I think spot and it's about $12.57, 12 and a half bucks. So as you guys know, getting a Morgan for 15 bucks is a pretty good deal, even with a little bit of wear on it. So I'm pretty happy with it. But anyway, that's it for now. I appreciate you watching. And if you haven't subscribed, why don't you go ahead and do that now. And also, click that little notification bell. Then you'll be notified whenever I put out another video. And finally, check out these 2 videos that just popped up. I've got some great content out there. I think you'll enjoy it. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.